In the shadow of the U.S. Capitol, attorney Kimberly Pazinski and her support services provider Morgan Drexen take a stand for consumer privacy and against runaway government.
This agency was formed to protect people, but my next guest says that it's way too powerful and it's unconstitutional.
This is an agency that's going way beyond its mission. They're trying to regulate lawyers practicing law like Ms. Pazinski. That's a state function. The state bar is looking to lawyers practicing law. This is not the purview of a federal agency.
My clients are extremely distressed that their most private financial information that they gave to me as part of an attorney-client relationship would be turned over to government officials at the CFPB.
Legal services company Morgan Drexen and another plaintiff filed a lawsuit on Monday against the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau.
Today, along with attorney Kimberly Pazinski, a lawyer licensed in the state of Connecticut, we're announcing a lawsuit that we're jointly filing against the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau.
The CFPB may say, look, Dodd-Frank created us. We were set up to be unaccountable. That's what Congress intended.
Our concern is that they, in their quest to make a very independent agency, they made this agency a little bit too independent, a little bit too isolated, a little bit too insulated. We think that the lack of a cohesive and strong internal checks and balances and political oversight rises to the level of a constitutional violation.
The lawsuit alleges that the CFPB is crossing the legal line because, among other things, it lacks the structure and oversight required by the U.S. Constitution. It lacks the authority to regulate attorneys, and it is attempting to violate the attorney-client privilege by data mining the personal and protected bankruptcy details of financially strapped consumers. Attorneys who use Morgan Drexen, like Joshua Benici of San Diego, say they not only count on but expect the company to protect sensitive and privileged communications between attorney and client.
It's essential that that happens. Confidentiality is probably one of the biggest things that an attorney holds with a client, that the client really should feel confident in their attorney that things are confidential.
In mid-July, the Government Accountability Office announced it is launching an investigation looking into the CFPB's data mining efforts. I'm Andrew Rivera reporting.